10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Beginning to pitch over.
Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
Lab Launch Complex 1 and is on its way to space carrying the MAT satellite. Our rocket recovery attempt is also now officially underway. Coming up on supersonic speeds, Electron will be travelling faster than the speed of sound as it approaches its first mission milestone, maximum aerodynamic pressure. Electron's Rutherford engines will throttle down slightly to pass this pressure point, and once cleared, we should hear the call from mission control that the rocket has passed max Q.
Vehicle is supersonic. Approaching max Q. And vehicle is cleared max Q.
Stage 1
There we go.
propulsion
As expected,
holding
Electron has cleared that first milestone and is continuing nominally. Electron's Rutherford engines will now throttle back up as the mission continues on, and all looks nominal for propulsion there, with that beautiful view of LC1 below. In about a minute, we will reach the point in the launch when
Stage
Electron
1 guidance
separates
is nominal.
itself. Known as stage separation, the Rutherford engines on the first stage will shut down for the rocket to safely separate before the engine on the second stage can fire up and carry on with the mission. The calls for these events will proceed as MECO, or main engine cutoff, stage separation, and then second stage engine start. And here is when our recovery team
Stage 1
begin
propulsion
their
nominal.
countdown to
Stand by
the
for
helicopter
MECO in
catch
roughly
as
30
the
seconds.
first stage will begin its journey back to Earth. Standing by now, though, for those calls.
15 seconds to staging.
Entered burnout detect mode.
MECO confirm.
Stage separation successful.
Stage 2 ignition.
And as you can see, we have had a successful MECO and stage separation, followed by the engine on
Stage two
Electron's
propulsion
second
nominal.
stage igniting successfully. You can see that by the red hot glow of the Rutherford nozzle on your screen there. For recovery, the first stage is now beginning its journey back home.
Discharge
The
nominal.
trajectories for both stages are looking good so far. The next mission event will be fairing separation on the second stage, coming up in just a few moments.
Fairing jettison succeeded.
In fact, actually, there it goes. Electron's fairing has been deployed, and Matt is now exposed
Stage
to
2
space
guidance
while
is
remaining
nominal.
attached to the rocket's second stage as it continues on the path to orbit. The vehicle is now traveling at a speed of more than 8,000 kilometers an hour with an altitude of 129 kilometers. Meanwhile, Electron's first stage continues its migration over the South Pacific Ocean. When it separated from the second stage, it was traveling at such high speed that its trajectory continued upward from the momentum. But in another minute or so, it is expected to reach the highest point of that arc, otherwise known as the apogee, and from there, descend toward the capture zone, where our recovery helicopter is ready and on standby to proceed. We should hear the call out from Mission Control, and we'll keep up that first stage camera view on your left for as long as we can.
Stage 2 propulsion still nominal.
The telemetry data for both stages is on your screen and coming back nice and clear, showing the progress of the first stage. We're just starting to see that arc back downward as it heads towards Earth. Whereas on the right, that telemetry line is heading upward as it should as Electron's second stage continues to orbit. This camera view on Electron's first stage tells us a lot about how well the booster is faring on its way back to Earth, because with the stage hitting speeds of up to 8 times the speed of sound, we may actually see a glow at the bottom, and that would be from plasma, which forms during the descent as a condition of a very fast atmospheric re-entry.
Stage 2 guidance still nominal, 200 seconds remaining.
Electron's second stage, though, continuing to orbit with propulsion firing hot and nominal. Fairly soon, Electron, though, will need another power source for Rutherford's electric pump cycle. We use batteries for this, but like all batteries, they run out of juice after extended use. So Electron performs an action called the battery hot swap, where it swaps over to a new set mid-flight to keep the engine running for longer. Sometimes you can catch a glimpse of these battery packs falling away. So let's listen in for the call out from Mission Control and watch our screen for those battery packs.
Engine is starting to throttle down.
Hot swap successful.
Battery jettison confirmed.
There's that call from Mission Control. Battery hot swap is confirmed. The cameras are a little bit late, but we can confirm those batteries did swap over as planned.
Stage 2 propulsion
Motor
still nominal.
pressed. HVP discharge holding nominal.
Stage 2 guidance in terminal, 25 seconds to go.
SICO, confirm.
Stage 3 separation confirmed.